Hey everybody, this is Dave from Growing the Home Garden. I'm here over in our side garden where I've created kind of a hosta area. It's not just hostas, but there's a few other things mixed in, like some hellebore and heuchera. See some of those over here. I mix in the hellebore to help prevent the deer from eating all the hostas because they don't like the hellebore. And by mixing it in, they don't know the difference. Doesn't always work, but so far it's been pretty good. Let's see, got a lot of similar type there. And then there, I'm a little disappointed with this hosta. This one's Empress Wu. It's supposed to be a really huge one, but for whatever reason it has just not really done that great. Actually looks like it's got stepped on by something recently. Here's one I really like. It's a small hosta called Ginkgo Craig. The leaves are a little bit more narrow and pointed, and they've got that leaf variegation there, which is really cool. This one over here has done really well in past years. Not looking quite as great this year. This is Crosso Regal. Now I actually like the hosta flowers. A lot of people just grow it for the foliage, but the flowers I think are definitely worth growing for. You can see with hostas you can also put in hydrangeas. And you can tell I probably need to do some weeding out over here. Pachysandra is getting overtaken by Virginia creeper and some other stuff. Here's some guacamole. On the other side of the garden, this is the corner shade garden, which has kind of gotten a little out of hand, but we got Solomon seal in the back, Japanese painted fern, oak leaf hydrangea, which that's got to be one of my favorite plants. More weeding needs done. And it's not blooming great this year, but this is Lady in Red hydrangea. And I'll show you a little bit of that. I like the lace cap flowers. I definitely like these better than the other types of hydrangeas with the big balls. Just like having the lace cap flower because it looks really neat. The blue color is pretty cool too. So that's a little from my hosta garden area. A few hydrangeas. And you can see it's definitely shady. This all started years ago by planting a few crape myrtles along the property line, and the crape myrtles provided plenty of shade very quickly because I let them grow as trees and I don't chop them off and perform what is known as crape murder. Don't do that. You can see these crape myrtles. I'll walk over to them. But as they grow larger and the trunks get thicker, the bark really starts to look nice. It's kind of mottled. It's a little dark to see here, but trust me, it's very pretty. There you go. That's a better shot. So using the crape myrtles helped me to create plenty of shade for this area very quickly. I talked to a hosta expert one time in Franklin, and she told me that she used tulip poplar trees to grow really fast shade in her area. And they do. They create a lot of shade. So you can create your own shade garden fairly quickly by choosing the right types of plants. Anyway, this is Dave from Growing the Home Garden. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe below, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.